What's up, guys? This is CNC West for your live weather updates. So we do have some severe storms near Junction, Fort Riley North. Severe thunderstorm warning right now with some rotation today. My president is joining me, Kate.
Hello everybody. Right now the storm has a little bit of rotation in it. I wouldn't be surprised if they issue a tornado warning in the next 15 minutes. But if they don't, there's still high winds on the south part of the storm. And yeah, right there, Camden. So just be careful if you're driving anywhere in that area.
But you can kind of see a wall cloud, definitely a wall cloud developed. You see, there's guys. You might see in White City or Gulf White. Probably in the next 30 minutes, you might be seeing a wall cloud.
Yeah.
And you can kind of see. There's definitely a line of a funnel cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's moving. So that funnel cloud is from White City is 8 miles.
Hey Camden, I've got to go for just a second, okay? Sorry.
All right, it's okay. So right in there is 60.5 dBc. And so that really means is like the hillsides or Atlantic. We do have a little storm coming on. And Florida right now, there's some rain. But we do want to talk about if you've not heard, down in this area, my radar won't show it, but there is a tropical storm barrel, and it is trying to form. It's gonna be a hurricane. It will be coming in Southwest Texas probably.
It is going to be a Cat 2 actually. It is tropical depression 2 right now, forecasted to be tropical storm Alberto by tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, so the tropical storm by radar won't show, but it's like right there. And it's coming like this way. It ain't gonna hit Miami. It's just gonna go right that.
We don't know exactly where it's going to go yet, but it's going to hit somewhere in the Gulf.
There's a little slight chance that it will hit the Texas area.
They're saying it's going to steer west, but the stronger it is, the more west it goes, and the weaker it is, the more east it goes. That's how it's working with this storm.
It's not showing that. It said it was somewhere around here. My radars are not showing it today. I mean, it's just starting, guys. I mean, we just found out today about it.
Yeah, actually, what?
We have some
3 hours ago. It became a tropical depression.
So we do have some hail in Florida, some scattered storms in Florida, doing some pretty hard rainfall. We might have a flash flood warning here.
Yeah, it looks near Palm Bay.
Yeah, Palm Bay. If you live in Palm Bay, you are probably having some flooding just on Highway 95. Highway 95 is probably having some flooding right now.
There's very heavy rain. That's all I know.
If you didn't know, if you live in Mount Pleasant, we had a wall cloud come over us, and I was actually at school during that.
Mount Pleasant, Texas.
Mount Pleasant, Texas. And I was at school here, and because I'm homeschooled. And then it just hit, and it was a wall cloud, and it got scary, bro. I thought there was fixing to be a tornado.
There was a tornado. I saw the video.
Yeah. Whoa, did you see that little hail of Orlando? Boom. Right there. Boom. But we do have a lot of rain across the country. do have a pretty good severe outlook. We have some storm chasers out. Right now in North Dakota, the Illinois area, Davenport, if you live there, you know, y'all got a pretty bad storm a couple weeks ago. If you watch our video, you'll see. But up here, right here, I don't know why it shows I live there. All right, so severe thunderstorm warning, you saw that one in Kansas, Arizona, Colorado. Small storm with a severe thunderstorm warning with some broad rotation. That is really some broad rotation right there, Tate. Really? Okay, whatever.
That's not rotation. That is not
Later it will try to be.
I don't know. That's on tilt 4. That means it's like. Ugh.
Now that storm's pretty big.
Sorry, everybody. My chair keeps.
Whoa! Hey, look at that line of wind.
Yeah, that could be squall or something. I can't tell. That could be like some kind of.
Hey, to that, yeah, I think that might be some rotation.
Remember, it's only where the red and green are touching, but maybe.
It's touching right there. Over Middletown. But Kay, you can see there's some very strong wind gusts, and there could be some trees down right now. And here in about 40 minutes, the storm will try to form a hook. And then after that, we'll have some scattered thunderstorms around the New Mexico area, and then coming into the Mexico area later today. So I was going to talk about El Paso. You will have some scattered storms tonight with maybe a chance of hail and maybe a tornado possible from these storms, because it is going that way right there. So we do have all these scattered storms. They're going to get powerful. And then like from there, it's about 181 miles.
Everybody, I'm also looking at that storm that we started on, the first storm in Kansas that we started on earlier. That storm has very large hail, baseball size hail to be exact.
Really?
And the rainfall also is 5 inches an hour.
There's some broad rotation. Hey, there's some broad rotation right now. We're gonna keep a close eye on this storm right now. So if you want to see some more like up close, go to Connor Croft. Maybe Reed Timmer might be streaming. Max Velocity, I think, is coming on right now. Yeah, Max Velocity is on. Well, Max Velocity comes on at 7. It's exactly 6 o'clock. Connor Croft is on right now. So yeah.
Guys, I'm also looking at the velocity on here, and there's some broad rotation.
Yeah, okay, the broad rotation's like right there.
Down at the bottom.
Oh, down here?
Nope, just beside that circle. Yes, Camden. It has to be the light red and dark green touching.
No, Kate, I actually saw that, so. But I do have a notification on 6:30. We will have Freddie McKinney come on, and we do have a target area for Iowa. No severe thunderstorm warning for Iowa right now, so I'm kind of surprised. If you live somewhere in the Iowa area, you will have a severe outlook today. There's so if you have heard of that Pekin, Oklahoma EF5 tornado, you know that was a very dangerous situation for all those lives. But you will be having some storms in the next couple of weeks, so yeah. I'm gonna keep a close eye. We're gonna keep a close eye on this rotation. And then it looks like later, okay, here in about 30 minutes or so, there's still going to be some more broad rotation on that circle right there. You see it, Kate?
Mhm.
And it's going to be like right there here in a minute. That's where some more rotation will be. But it'll be in like the kind of the part where there's no rain. So that's really where rotation is. It's not really in the hail, not really in the high rains. Really just in that like kind of hard, kind of light rain and all that. So okay, I have to go do something. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hold on, let me turn on the velocity.
Yeah, guys, there's gonna be a hook forming in the storm. There is some rotation. Actually, north of where Camden circled. But I'm also looking at my map. It's showing some rotation down there. Very strong hook forming. This is a very dangerous storm, everybody. So if you're watching and you're in like Junction City, or Chapman, y'all need to get in your shelters right now, as this is going to be a tornado warning storm soon.
I'm back.
We're gonna go ahead and call this a tornado warning storm.
Yeah, I would call this tornado warning storm. I mean, if you see rotation right now, it's really tracking, but it's moving east right now. Moving far east. You'll find out more information on the Weather Channel about this storm.
Yeah. The Weather Channel is also talking about PTC1.
And so it's
not PTC1, PTC2.
It's 4 miles away from that area right there, that rotation.
I've got to go for just a second.
Okay. So we have issued that tornado warning from CNC Weather Service. We have officially issued probably a tornado warning. It probably will be, but we have issued a tornado warning for this area. So that is kind of a dangerous situation. It's a pretty good thunderstorm coming through. So yes, it looks like it could be a little bit of hail. 1.75 inch hail, which is getting close to. That's probably like paintball size hail. So yeah, but here in about 20, 30, 40 minutes, you will see here in about 40 minutes, we'll be having some more. Okay, here in about 40 minutes or so, we'll still be having some more rotation.
Yeah, broad rotation right there.
But no, that's in 40 minutes.
Okay.
This is right now. That's right now.
Okay. Still some rotation, not broad anymore. And there is actually some up north, kind of at the north top
Right
area.
there. Really, right?
No, just south of it.
But right there, it's kind of touching.
Yeah.
Oh, I caught that rotation. You're done somewhere in Colorado. Ooh, Scott, if you see that purple on radar, that means baseball, golf ball.
Very high winds.
No, yeah. See, there is some kind of rotation down. Like, rotation could be spotted right there. That's where the area of rotation could be spotted. That's kind of a dangerous situation. So we do have a lot of flash flood warnings and indicated source. Flash flood damage.
Guys, we got my little winter cat with us. He's a little scared. It's my mom right there.
It's guys. If y'all not met, it's our weather kitty. I also have a cat.
He gets his fur all over my face.
Mine too. I'm Tracy. So I've got severe thunderstorm warning for that area. I mean, there's not really anything to talk about.
Not much. But there is some flash flood alerts. This video is probably gonna be shorter than most.
Well, last night we had a 23-minute one.
Mm.
Alright, new flash flood warning. This threat is catastrophic. No damage really. And that it's near that hill. Okay, did you see the velocity on this?
There's not much rotation there. Not really.
There could be a little bit of rotation there here in a minute.
Maybe. I'm looking at velocity too. My velocity is saying the same. Not much rotation.
Yeah, are you using this one up right here?
Yes, I am.
How do you
Guys, if y'all want to use a radar, this is one of the radars I use. Canon doesn't use it all the time. I just introduced it to them a few days ago. But it's called a Weather US. You can search high rise velocity radar. It'll pull up Weather US. That's the highest chance that you'll get something. But also the National Weather
Hey guys,
Service.
if you have not looked, that tornado in Louisiana yesterday messed up that radar thing, and it touched the ground. We officially had pictures of it.
Videos. I didn't get the videos, but I got the pictures of the tornado.
I found a video of it.
You did?
I'll send it out on whatever. But guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and just like leave it on the storm and talk about the storm, okay guys? Alright, okay.
Okay.
Okay, there's some debris above this storm like crazy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and just talk about like this storm and all that.
Yeah. This one is definitely a dangerous one.
There's some strong wind gusts up there. Oh
yeah, this is one that I'm focusing my attention on right
that
now.
one here expired. This expired. Guys, this storm here has expired. Nothing too much to worry about. There's a little bit of hail. Actually, no. Okay, there is some more hail right there.
Yeah, and there's more over there. Looking.
That dark red, that like right there, that kind of blackish, that's gonna be real hard rainfall. Like really hard. If y'all also don't like that weather app that my cousin just mentioned, go to National Weather Service radar. They have all the severe outlooks for storms. I use it every day, really, to get into that confirmed tornado. Why do they still have this up, Aid? The weather confirmed.
What?
They still have this that tornado from yesterday in Louisiana.
It's weird. It's so weird.
Hey, Kate, I'm gonna leave it on this Kansas one again.
Huh?
I'm gonna leave it on this Kansas one.
Okay.
What do you think the rotation's at? Like right?
Are we gonna be ending soon?
Nah. Okay, that's where the rotation it could be, or over here.
Yeah. Are we gonna do anything else, or is this it? Are we gonna go and be done?
I think we're just gonna leave it on and just show y'all some live weather.
Yeah, and guys, also about the whole tropical thing.
Kate, I'll be right back.
Tropical storm Beryl is going to form in the next few days. Or actually, Hurricane Beryl is going to form in the next few days. So if you are like on the Gulf of Mexico coast, just make sure you are prepared. You have like your hurricane safety kit and everything you need for a hurricane. So this hurricane, we do not know exactly where it will go or who it will impact. It could go into Mexico, or it could go to the USA, to the US.
Hey, new rotation. New rotation.
Okay.
Hey, did you hear me?
Yes, I did.
Are you? Sorry, I muted you.
Was I on mute the whole time?
Yeah, you were on mute.
Oh, I was talking about everything.
No, you were on mute. You were on mute. No, you were on mute.
I didn't want to be on mute.
Hey, look. That area right there, Junction City. Look, there's a report of some help.
Where? What's the size?
2-inch. Yeah, okay, like, let me see. Yeah, 2.75-inch hail. That is getting up probably the baseball size hail. Hey, look what it says. Like 3 inches.
2 to 3.
It's 2.75.
That storm just formed out of nowhere.
I know, it's like a pop-up. You know? Now that's 3-inch.
3 to 4 inches in size. Wow.
That's getting up to, let me think,
Baseball size.
a little bit bigger. Maybe
That's possible.
softball size.
That's the highest hail. Actually, no. Hail has got up to 6 inches.
You know how long we've been doing this?
No, sir, I do not. Actually, I think 20 minutes, maybe.
Yeah, so we'll probably end here in a minute. Alright, we're running out of time.
How much time do we
Alright,
have?
guys, thank y'all. We're not going to end the stream. Thank y'all guys for watching. We really do appreciate if you subscribe. That would be the mean the world to us. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more weather updates. I'll do some stuff on the community about Tropical Storm Barrel. We might do a video tomorrow night if y'all could. Yeah, if we could. And then
Just put it in the comments if y'all want us to do a video.
yeah, put it in the comments if you do. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all guys.
Camden, before we end the video, I don't know if y'all guys have been to the community yet, but after we finish the video, go to it. Camden, I think you should, like, earlier in the community, how you did, would you rather be in a tornado or a hurricane? You should do that with if they want us to do a video tomorrow or not.
Yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great night. Stay safe for this storm, and thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a great night. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Bye.